Craft a cute ladybug out of pipe cleaners in just a few easy steps. For this project, you will need 3 black pipe cleaners, 1 red pipe cleaner, a paintbrush with a skinny handle, fingernail clippers or wire clippers, googly eyes, and craft glue. Hold the end of one of the black pipe cleaners around the skinny handle of a paintbrush and wrap it around in a bundle 6 times. This will make the head of the ladybug. Remove it from the handle and then go to the other end of the pipe cleaner and do the same thing going in the opposite direction, starting at the end, wrapping it in a bundle around and around till you make it back to the head. Now we're going to make the body bigger by using another black pipe cleaner and wrapping it around and around the bundle again to make the body bigger. So remove that from the handle and set it aside. Now take the red pipe cleaner and find the midpoint by bending it in half. Put it between the head and the body and wrap it once and around, making sure that it's centered. Now begin at one end of the red pipe cleaner and coil it down, starting at one end, keeping it flat until you get to the body. Now pinch it so that you make it a wing shape and bend the tip toward the end of the body. Do the same thing for the other side. Coil it all the way down till you get to the body. Pinch it into a triangular wing shape and bend the end so that it curves toward the end of the body. To make the antenna, make a tight coil at the end of the last black pipe cleaner, just 1 or 2 times down, and then clip off as much as you will need to make an equal amount on the other side. Use the fingernail clippers or wire clippers. Thread it through the top coil on the head. Make a bend in the middle and then coil down the other side. Now we'll make some spots for the wing. So make a coil on the end of your black pipe cleaner, nice and tight, and then cut a length a couple inches long, so a tail on the coil that you just made, and poke it into the wing. I'm going to start at the top of one wing here, place the spot where you want it to be, and then take the tail and bend it and thread it through up where you would like another spot to be. Trim the end a little bit and then coil down the tail to make a second spot. Do the same thing on the other side to make a second set of spots. The last step is to use some thick white craft glue to glue on some googly eyes. Once the glue is completely dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.